What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel here at TB Finance. In today's video I'm going to be going over a company known as NIO, the electric vehicle company based in China that is down pretty dramatically alongside the rest of the market. But before I get into this video, I do want to mention that I do have the link to my Discord, Wolfpack Capital LLC, in the top of the description of this video. If you guys can join, check it out. We do have some free discussion, some free educational content and components, as well as a paid premium chat where I give alerts like this. You can see the one I gave today was a SPY call for $240 that did end up going up to $500, over 100% return. So be sure to check that out if you haven't already. But with that said, let's get right into this video. So like I said, guys, NIO is a very interesting stock. A lot of people compared this stock to Tesla. They said it's a Tesla competitor and things like that. But ever since the all-time high of about $64, $65, NIO has seen some pretty dramatic pullbacks. If we take a look over here, you can see if I zoom out even a little bit further, the all-time high was back here in late January, about a year ago now, of 2021 at $66.99. And at this time, every electric vehicle stock or company was just shooting up for pretty much no reason at the time. It was kind of an EV bubble, as some would say. But during that time, NIO did kind of gain in popularity. A lot of people found out about it, and a lot of people invested in it, causing this surge to the all-time high of nearly $67 per share. You can see ever since then, NIO has pulled back, and they actually have gapped down as of late. The entire market as a whole has been kind of retreating. As you can take a look over here, is the market crashing, stock market crash, extreme bubble, things like that. If you followed the market these past few days, you've seen that everything pretty much is down pretty bad. And NIO has recently just hit a low of $23.10 per share and currently trades at $24.87. If we zoom out a little bit further again, guys, I am a buyer at these prices. This is a price level that we haven't seen since 10/13 of 2020 now. Super low level, and this is just an absolute steal in my opinion. Yeah, there is some concerns since it's a China-based stock, and some people are saying, oh, it's going to be delisted or things like that. But personally, guys, I'm willing to take the risk. I don't think they're going to get delisted. I do think they're a fantastic stock and company, and that they will see some extreme future growth in the next few months, the next few years, as the electric vehicle industry continues to grow. Next, if we take a look at some of the recent news, you can see with a strong 2022 catalyst, NIO stock could accelerate higher. I'm going to highlight this part down here that did talk about NIO's delivery setting to accelerate. In December, according to a company press release, they did deliver 10,489 vehicles, which was a 49.7% on a year-over-year basis. And for the fourth quarter, their deliveries did reach 25,000, 44.3% increase. And for the full year, the deliveries were up 109.1% to 91,429 vehicles. And as you guys can see following that, even better, those full year 2021 numbers more than quadrupled from 2019, according to NIO. I do think they'll have an even better 2022. This is one of my top buys for the year of 2022. Like I just said, I mean, I just think mid to low $20 per share is just too low. I think they're extremely oversold, as you can see indicated on this chart by this RSI indicator. And this is a price, like I keep saying, that we haven't seen since October of 2020. So I'm stepping in here. I'm buying some long-term call options. I'm buying shares. I do think that NIO will continue to see some upwards growth in the next few weeks and the next few months to come. You can also see that Wall Street's average price target for NIO is about $62 per share, which is extremely high. And that means at the time of this article, it was down 55%, or you could say 55% undervalued according to Wall Street analysts. And personally, guys, my long-term price target is $70 to $75. I do think they will reach that price target within a year or two. I do think that's a pretty safe and conservative estimate in terms of their price. And lastly, before we get back into the charts, I did want to mention this article that did come out on January 16th of 2022. Big investor tripled its AMC stake and bought Apple, NIO, and Nikola stock. If you take a look down here, DNB Asset Management more than tripled its investment in AMC, like I just said, Apple, Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO, and electric truck maker Nikola. I think that's huge, guys. A lot of these big hedge funds are buying when there's blood in the streets in the market, like you guys have been seeing now. Every stock across the market is down pretty dramatically, and NIO is no exception. So the whales are stepping in and buying these discounted shares. If you liked NIO at $67 back here nearly a year ago, you should love NIO right now at $24.87. Personally, I do. If we take a look over here as well, you can see honestly they have been in this downwards channel for a while now, as you can see indicated right here, and I do expect a move back to the upside. If I can go ahead and draw this trend line, I do expect a bounce off of this level and a move similar to that to about $35. That's my first price target for NIO. And then obviously my long-term price target is going to be a little bit higher, up here at about $48, $50 per share. And then eventually that break above this previous all-time high of $67 per share. If you do like options, you want to buy a leap option for NIO, something I'd highly recommend doing is picking up something that expires on January 19th, of 2024. This gives you over a year until expiration and is extremely safe. Something I'd recommend doing is picking up this 30 strike call option. It's severely discounted, guys, and I promise you, you pick up this 30 strike call option for January 19th of 2024, this will make you money. And personally, I do own a few of these myself. But with that said, guys, that's about it for this video. Let me know what you think about NIO in the comments below. And if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and check out that Discord like I mentioned at the start of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.